How to transfer money with ING Bank. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can transfer money with ING Bank. So to do that, first of all, open up the ING app on your mobile device and simply log into your account. Now once you've logged in, your homepage will look somewhat like this, where you'll have to basically tap on the transfer tab on the bottom right side of your screen. After that, you'll see all of these different options over here, such as pay anyone, transfer between my accounts, BPay, or international money. So if you'd like to send money to anyone using their bank account details such as the BSP and their account number, tap on the first option, pay anyone. If you want to transfer between one of your account to another one of your account on the ING Bank, tap on this option. And if you want to pay a bill using BPay, tap on the third option. And if you want to transfer money, obviously tap on the fourth option. So for now, let's simply tap the option pay anyone. Then if you already have a payee set up, you can simply do so by tapping the option my payee. But if you do not, simply enter their name, the BSP number, account number, and the reference. Tap on the option continue. After that, select from which account you'd like to transfer the money from. So in my case, I'll simply choose my everyday account. After that, enter the amount, when, and the description. Once you tap on the option continue, you will be taken to the review payment page where you'll have to review all the details of the payment. And once you're okay with it, simply tap on the option confirm and pay. They will ask you to enter the 6-digit code sent to your phone number, and once you've entered the code, you will have successfully transferred money with ING Bank. So that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching.